try not to make any scratches.
Before you apply glue, test the glass first to see how it fits.
Doesn't fit good right now.
So right now it doesn't fit good because there's a panel that needs to be trimmed because originally the solid, it's a solid, so solid converting to a slider, it won't fit perfectly if you don't adjust the panel. This panel is blocking the slider. It needs to be pushed out. In order to push this panel out, you either drill a hole right here so this panel can be pushed out, or you can cut it. Okay, cut it so this panel can be pushed out a bit. This is the only way. So this panel needs to be pushed out. In order to do that, you drill a hole and then cut it so it can be pushed out like this. Otherwise, the slider won't fit. Flip the back seat so the back seat won't press against the back panel. So it's best to flip the back seat so the back panel has a little space here. Otherwise, if you don't flip the back seat, it push against the panel. This panel needs to be pushed away from the frame, and in order to do that, you have to drill the two holes and cut it a little bit so this panel can be pushed away. Now we're testing the glass without the glue.
Perfect.
To make sure it's a perfect fit. So right now it fits perfect, but without pushing the panel out, it won't fit. And this is because originally it's a solid piece and we're putting a slider.
It's called V-tip. The right top, left top corner first.
Okay.
And slowly go to the right corner. And then. Don't access me.
After the panel is pushed in, when you install the glass, you actually don't see a difference. The panel is literally right next to the glass.